born like rage. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep a pack, never hop in the jet. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm gonna be doing a review on the LED light Off-White Supreme case. Now I know y'all probably seen this case everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, eBay, Amazon, every fucking where. And mine literally just came in the mail. I'm gonna be reviewing it to see if it was actually worth it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. You see how my first case was an Off-White case? It's literally just an Off-White case. This case is Off-White and Supreme. That's a plus. And I really like the design. It's like a circuit board type of look. Like if you touch it, you might get electrocuted. Now we're down to the main test. This Off-White Supreme case actually lights up in the dark. Basically, you have to plug this little metal thing inside. It's connected to the phone, so you don't have to worry about losing it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this shit fake wavy, bro. Red, green, blue, and it goes many different speeds. I highly recommend you get this case. It's affordable, super cool, Off-White and Supreme, and it's for iPhone users. If you get this case, you won't regret it. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, hope you guys enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope you guys learned from it. Like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.